Hi guys, welcome back to Martin's Adventures vlog. So for today's video, our content will be a day in my life, or I will show you guys what I usually do, or what's my everyday activities here. So I just woke up guys, and it's 6:03 in the morning here right now. So I will cook my breakfast now. So let's go. Papa mo lang, trabaho na yun, no? Ayun yan. Ayun, kaya ito, sigarilyo? Sa'yo ito, Nick? Sigarilyo? Yang. Sigarilyo. Gantong ganito sa kanya? Agay. Magay ka, Carlo. Magay ka.
Hello! Nagising na ako.
Ano pangalan mo?
Carlo.
His name is Carlo and he loved to come here every day and eat with us, go with us everywhere. He loved to help us here. Nangoy tayo, Carlo.
Aga pa.
Good morning. Kakagising mo lang, la? Bang?
Timba.
Kaya nga, bentahan niya nga ako.
Lutaw ka na daw.
Anong pangalan yung niluto mo kon? Mahanghang, may sarap.
Oh, Milo. We are going to get firewood that we will use for our cooking because the gasoline is so expensive now. So we will go get some firewood here. Ikaw, ano pangalan mo?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Ernest Carlo.
Ernest Carlo? Ha? I'm with my brother-in-law.
Hi team, I'm Tem.
This kid is one of my favorite kid of all.
Kaloy, Kaloy. Nickname mo Kaloy. Kaloy.
Guys, dito kami sa kabiaan.
Ano sabi mo? Ano yun? Star apple?
Yan guys, madaming kalapati doon. Guys. Guys, dito kami guys. Ano ba ba na? Sukar ah. Ha?
Yung isa. Tapos pangalawa at yung chikard kong nito eh. Pagpasabay ko, sumunod yung isa. Di ba lubo yung sumama?
Doon sa may nito.
Naghiwalay na lang kayo. Baba lang yung dito ako. Tapos yung bakaindong.
Bakit marami palang kalapati dito? Wala ni parang taga-bundok ay.
Bakit?
Sakay sa kabayo.
Yes!
Sakay sa ano, kabayo.
Cowboy!
Tingnan mo, punta ka dyan kay Abla na yan. Ganda ba ito sa taas?
Isa pa, Carlo. Isa pa, isa pa. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw, ay, sige nga.
Balance pa nga ni. Sige Mel, balance Mel. Sige.
Balance, 30 seconds. Bilangan nyo.
1, 2, 3, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Another 10 minutes.
1, 2, Hindi, kaya.
Ako kaya ko yon balance. Ayoko nga. May,
Kaya ko zero balance.
Ito isa, yung ugay guys oh. Nanguha lang. Guys. Guys, iba daw. Guys. Guys daw, pangit.
Guys, oh. Guys, karo.
Ano guys?
Karo, guys.
Sa pogi niya guys oh. Takong. Guys, papunta kami guys sa kay Mitong.
English.
Hindi ko alam.
Sabi mo, we're going.
Ikaw na.
Sabi mo, sundan mo lang ako. Dali na, isa lang. Sabi mo, we're going.
We're going.
Up, side the moment.
Hop on. Galing mole. Oh, mole. Galing mole. Oh, ni papa si mole.
Ano mo ako?
Kuya.
Yes, I am your brother. Not by blood, but by heart. We are going to look for the cacao we have here. We have here a cacao.
May bungaw.
Ay. We have here cacao tree. But there is no cacao left because someone has already get it.
Sino mo yun eh? Maraming bunga. Ito yung kibla na yung isang kakao. Ayan na. Laki na.
Hinog yun? We have here a cacao, look.
Ha? Binaba mo ang panungkit? Itong pahirap naman yan daw. Akit eh, koy.
Saan?
Kaya, yung malaki na na. Ay, ayaw ba ako? Oh. Mea! Ito ang hinog, oh. Kain mo kay Kabalano daw. Dito! Matamaan kami, ha? Dito daw.
Kuya! Yaw, salo yaw. Pwede ba ito kainin?
Yan man yung kinain na.
Matanda na to eh.
Matanda, kinain niya namin kapon yan.
Mm.
Ay ako.
Ay, kanin mo, kumain ako.
Ay ako. Down tayo. Meron pa pala isa.
My favorite one.
Masarap dito kung yung asawa mo hindi man nasa loob, no?
This is how we get some things for our kitchen. I mean for cooking things, you know. Because we don't have a gasoline. Because gasoline was so expensive right now here in Philippines. So this is what we do for our kitchen. We are now going back to our home, to our place, because we already got 2 sacks of firewood. Look guys, it's so amazing. We got a lot because we cannot afford the gasoline. Gasoline?
Yeah.
We cannot afford the gasoline right now, so we're now going back home after we get these things. We will update you later of what will happen next. Ha?
Ayos naman.
Yung pag confident ako mag-English, maayos naman siya.
Ano ka, by mood? May bunga. Sagalipin mo.
I am here right now resting at the mango tree. We went so far, it was so tired. And now we are resting here at the mango tree. While other kids are getting some mango because they told me to wait because they want some, so I will wait them while I'm resting here.
Pagpapuluti bangga.
Tama na to!
Mga dito spring.
Taman to. May ano pala ni?
Kunti lang.
Doon ba sa akin kasaka? Hindi ka din sa akin.
Walang laman.
Matay kasaka.
Ay, may
Wala ni.
Pero ano?
laman.
Paano yung pirma? Hindi na pipirma ni Lovely. Naiintindihan ko na ma.
Laan. Doon ka. May buko juice na tayo. Now we have a broken chance.
Baka ito yung sinasabi niya.
Try daw.
Kain muna kami.
Now we're going to get the fish that we dried. Here. Ha? Ha?
Iba pa.
Ako ng pera pambili.
Iba pa. Padala sa sasabot.
Nilalaro mo man.
Kilala mo ako.
Oo, kilala mo ako.
Iba na rin.
Ikaw, gusto kilala.
Dudong. Ordi mo kung ganyan ang kalabayan na.
Pwede yan sa tubig.
Ha?
Pwede yan sa tubig.
Lubos mo daw.
Yan, kanta. Syempre, after all what we did today, we deserve a chill. We're going to chill after all the work. Look at the beautiful place. So awesome. You can see. Look. Oh my god. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope you guys subscribe and like my video. What a beautiful and what a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.